Good morning, everyone. So we are discussing properties of determinants. We have done till property 6. Now we are going to see property 7. It says the value of a determinant remains unaltered if to all the elements of any row or column are added the same multiples of the corresponding elements of any number of other rows or columns. That is this. Let us try to understand. Here it's trying to say that if you have a determinant, let's say this 1 2 3 0 1 minus 1 0 1 1, this is one determinant. Okay, now value for this is 2. Okay, suppose you obtain one determinant, okay, from this one, and how you are obtaining, you are multiplying this second row, by 2. Okay, and then whatever value you are getting, you are adding to the corresponding elements of row 1. Like here 0 into 2 will be 0, so that 0 will be added to 1, so simply you get 1. Then 1 into 2, okay, you will get 2, that 2 will be added to this, will become 4. Then minus 1 into 2 will become minus 2, that will be added to this, will become 1. And this simply you write like this. Okay, so obtained from this by what? First row, this. So here I'm trying to say that what we have done to this determinant, the first row, to the first row we have added twice of R2. Okay, that means we have multiplied each element of row 2 by 2, then whatever value we get, we have added to the corresponding elements. Okay, so we got this. Now let us find the determinant. So here I'm doing along the first column, so I'll use this. Let me write down that first. So here you observe that even when we did this, okay, it has not affected the value of the determinant. Okay, value of the determinant remain same. Okay, so this is what they are trying to say, that the value of a determinant remains unaltered if to all the elements of any row, okay, are added the same multiples of the corresponding elements of any number of other rows. So in this example what we did is, to the first row, okay, we added, okay, multiples of 2, okay, multiple of 2's from using row 2. Okay, then in that case also your determinant remains unaltered. Okay, so this is all about property 7. Please go through it. Okay, this property is important. Let's take one more example. So in this, with the same determinant 1 2 3 0 1 minus 1 0 1 1, let's obtain one determinant. Here what I will do is, I will I'll multiply each element of row 2 by 3, and row 3 elements I will multiply by 2. Okay, and I will add to the first row. So first row is this. I'll multiply this these elements by 3, and then I'll add correspond to the corresponding elements. So I'll get 0 into 3, 0. So I'll add 0, and then 2, okay, into 2 plus 1 into 3. That means I'll get 2 plus 3. Then 3 is here. Then plus minus 1 into 3. I'll get minus 3. Now what I'll do, to the first row only I will add multiple of 2, okay, but using third row. So 0 into 2, 0, so that I will add over here. 1 into 2, 2, that also I'll add over here. 1 into 2, that also I'll add over here. Okay, so I'm getting this 1 here, 7 here, 2 here, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1. So along the first column I'll get this 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Again, if you see, it's coming 2 only. Even if you would have done along the first row or any other row or any column, your answer would have come 2 only. Okay, so in this example what I did, I added multiple of 2 and multiple of 3 to the first row using second and third. Yes, so you can read now. The value of a determinant remains unaltered if to all the elements of any row are added the same multiples, okay, of the corresponding elements of any number of other rows. Okay, so it does not change the value. Okay, so this is all about property 7.